Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing fabulous in this online lecture series. Well, today we will learn a lesson of standard 7th, which is 11th lesson from your textbook of subject science, which is a very interesting subject. That lesson's name is cell structure and microorganisms. So, in this lesson we will learn various types of subunits with the help of PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation. So, let's get started with that PowerPoint presentation.
So, there is a great variation in the shapes of cells. Their shapes are mainly related to their function. As you can see in this picture, various shapes of cells are given. Means there are a variety of cell shapes. Have a look on these different types of cells and their shapes. To learn more about this, today we will learn about cell, its shapes, types, and cell organelles. So let's get started. So as in the picture displayed on the screen, the amoeba cell is there, Spirogyra cell is there, a fat cell, RBC, that is red blood cells, an egg cell, a nerve cell which is also called as neuron, a surface cell, a layer of surface cell is there, then muscle cells, a bone cell, and a sperm cell. These cells are of several shapes like circular, rod shape, columnar, spiral, oval, rectangular, etc. Their shapes are mainly related to their function. It simply means that according to their shapes, their function will be there. In each cell, various components are present which carry out life processes of that living organism. They are called as cell organelles, and these cell organelles are studied in detail with the help of electron microscope, which can magnify images up to 2 into 10 to the power 9, that is 2 billion times than their actual size. There are two main types of cells. The first one is plant cell and the second one is animal cell. Now we will see in details of those cells. These cells means plant cell as well as animal cell. These cells consist of various types of membrane bound cell organelles. Plant cell have a definite shape. Why? Because it shows the presence of cell wall around it. Only plant cell do have cell wall, but animal cell do not have cell wall. As shown in the figure on the screen, you can see cell wall is present in the plant cell, but not in the animal cell. As on the left hand side, cell wall and chloroplast are present in plant cell, which are not present in animal cell. Whereas other organelles like free ribosomes, lysosomes, cell membrane, Golgi bodies, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria are present in both these cells. Cell has four main parts which are as follows. The first one is cell wall, second one is plasma membrane, the third one is cytoplasm, and the fourth is cell organelles. Now we will see them one by one in detail. The first one is cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost covering of a cell. As I told you in the picture that cell wall is present only in plant cell. Then the second one is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also called as cell membrane. It is a kind of thin covering. It is extremely delicate and flexible. It is present in the animal cell. It is the outermost covering of animal cell. As cell wall is absent in animal cell, plasma membrane is the only membrane present in animal cell. Then the third one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is nothing but a liquid part which is present around the nucleus in cell. It occupies space in between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. All the cell organelles which are scattered in this cytoplasm. Then the last one is cell organelles. There are several organelles inside the cell which mainly includes nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids, etc. The nucleus is the most important cell organelle. There is a porous double membrane around it. The nucleus controls all the functions of the cell. Its double membranes are like outer membrane and inner membrane. And inside this layer there are nuclear pores. Then the second one is endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum starts from the nuclear membrane and ends up to the cell membrane. Let's see what it is. The endoplasmic reticulum is a sprawling net-like organelle. As you can see in this picture, it is net-like. Its function is to make necessary changes in the proteins produced by the ribosomes and send them to the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies now, or it is also called as Golgi apparatus. These are made up of several flat sacs. Their function is the proper distribution of proteins. As you can see in the figures, they are sac-like structures. Then mitochondria and plastids are organelles with double outer coverings. As mitochondria produce energy, they are called as powerhouse of cell. This is an important point. Then thereafter, chloroplast. Chloroplast in plant cells carry out the function of photosynthesis. As I already told you that chloroplasts are always present only in plant cells. Okay, so because of this, they produce their own food. Then vacuoles. Animal cells and plant cells both have vacuoles. These vacuoles helps to throw out waste products of the cell. Vacuoles in animal cells are smaller, whereas there is only one large vacuole in plant cell, as you can see in this picture. These were all the important cell organelles which were like nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids, etc. So, in this lecture, we have seen cell shapes. Different kinds of shapes were there: circular, rod shape, columnar, spiral, oval, rectangular, etc. We have seen various cells also, then basic information of cell. Then thereafter, two types of cells were there: plant cell and animal cell. And thereafter, we have seen several main cell organelles. In that, various cell organelles were present. We have learned those like nucleus, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, then vacuoles, mitochondria, etc. This was all about today's lecture. Okay, the last part of our lecture is homework. Your homework is you have to name different organelles in the cell. Okay, if you have any difficulties related to this subtopic, you can ask in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.